This one is Itel W5505. That is Itel A36 charging system. It's not working because when you set your battery and your charger, it does not charge. That means there is a fault on the screen cable. So I'm setting my charger. Set it, but it's not charging. When it's been like this, it means there is a fault either on the screen or the cable. So you make a jump connection from the vein charge or vein CHG. That means vein charge. So that's the positive side of the charging system. This place. So you apply your LED with a jump wire. See? So the positive is not working. You see? Then you take your jump wire. You apply some of the LED on the tip. See? So when you apply some of the LED on the tip, so that's only the positive side because it connects on the screen cable. From the screen cable to the charging board or charging unit board. You see? So I make a jump connection from that side to this place or this transistor, the tip of it. You apply again on the tip. Then you apply a little see LED? Yes. So you apply a paste. Inside, you see, that's the foam paste. This. Or you can bring it here, or it's the same. I replace a new charge system and I can realize the power. There's no flow. you need to take the charge system out. So here we go. Or even you can rub this side. Use your cutter to rub. You see that line over there? You rub it. Then you apply. You do it till you see it is shiny. Then you apply your light. That's where the jump wire. So here's the positive side of the charge, and here's the positive. So if you try your hands on it, and you can apply the light on this. No. So you take it to where you rub it. You see? Then you place it back again. Set your charger. You see, this is how the charging waste is being done. The negative side is not damaged, but the positive. So you try your hands on it, you can do it. Sometimes it's very difficult, but you need to know what you are doing. You see? So that's how the positive jump waste is being done. Thank you.